Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, I got some interesting news today. I don't really know how I feel about this. So I'm just going to be honest and I'm going to share it with you guys on the video for EOS because I'm kind of getting a couple different thoughts on the confidence of EOS based off the Bullish exchange, and I'll talk about that. Okay, this video looks different because it is different. This is our one wildcard pick of the year. Normally what you guys are going to see on these videos is stuff like this where we're going to be getting into trades. We have 4 different buy limits and such like that, and everything is called out on the website over here at tradeconfident.io. EOS is not part of the metrics. It's not part of the live trades because I'm actually giving them to you guys on this video here, but I am going to be looking to add EOS to the website for the metrics next year. So watch out for that, okay? Let's just dive right into what I want to talk to you guys about. I'm going to show you guys how to get into this trade because I still think it has a great potential, and I'll show you exactly where the buy limits are that you should be setting up if you want to follow me on this. Currently, I have an entry here. A lot of us had an entry here on November 15th for 473, okay? We had that entry get hit. We then hit our second buy limit at 402, and we have a break-even entry here at 433, which we are sitting in the negative here about 5.75 on those first 2 buy limits. Not worried about this whatsoever, by the way. But there is things coming out that is kind of interesting. I'm going to go over the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion here in a second. These indicators as well as the trend dashboard, guys, I know you guys hear me say this a lot, so give me some grace on the last day I'm going to say this here. But you guys literally have 4 hours left, and these prices are going to go up. It's in the bundle pack below, so don't miss that. Here's what I want to dive into right now is let's do this. We're going to open up a new chart here, and we're going to go to Google, okay? Let's go to Google, and let's take a look at this. If you type in Bullish Exchange right here, this is what happens. It comes up here and it's ranking organically. Great, that's awesome. But here's what they've done for us. They have blocked us from the website. This was not blocked yesterday. The reason I know this is because I was on a coaching call with a really awesome guy that I coach, and I was able to get into the website, actually go into the trade section, and it blocked me and it said, if you want notifications, you must sign up with your email. Now, when I entered in my email address, btradeconfident@gmail.com, so you guys can reach me if you want, I entered in the email address, and then it said choose country, and United States was not there. And then I come out today and I see this. The information about Bullish Exchange's website is not available to persons located in Canada, China, El Salvador, Japan, India, South Africa, and the United States, Israel, the Russian Federation, or any jurisdiction subject to sanction. Users from these locations are advised that their access to these portions of the website falls outside of the terms of use. Okay, Bullish, are you guys going to block everybody in the United States from not using your platform? Or do you guys know something that I don't know, that this means something else where they're eventually going to open it up to the United States? These are big places where people like to trade, like China. Like, I know that a lot of those bans and all that stuff that's going on, but these places are huge. Obviously, I'm calling out the United States because that's where I live, and out of all these, that has the highest trading volume without a doubt. So is the Bullish Exchange going to actually be removed from US users so we can't even use it? All right, possibly. That's kind of frustrating, to be honest, because that is going to remove an incredible amount of buying volume and transaction volume from the Bullish Exchange if we're not accepted in the United States. Now, I'm not holding us strictly to that because things might change, but at the moment, the way I personally understand that, the United States can't even get into the website, okay? So if you click I understand, this is as far as you go, and this is where you guys actually have to come over here, and it says this. Watch with this. It says trade with us. You're going to enter in your email address right here. At the bottom here, get started. See, it's actually blocking me right here. I don't know. It's probably looking at the server and saying that I'm not even able to get in here. Because yesterday I was able to actually click in here and put my email address in, and it was able to let me in, but it's actually blocking this completely out, so I can't even click it. So it is what it is. All right, whatever. Am I still bullish on EOS? I do believe EOS is still a good coin to trade. The fluctuations in EOS are almost a gold mine of how much this thing moves back and forth to take profits and win trades. So for that reason, I am still going to be trading this. But once we get up into the profit here on this trade and we start pushing up higher, here's the thing, guys. Here's what I'm looking at. The price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. Like, let me show this to you guys because you guys are wondering about this because it's on sale today. Like, yes, get these. Watch the videos I did. They called the last 9 drops on Dogecoin, the last 12 drops on Ethereum. Insane. When we push up into the top red section here, and when we see well money flow pushing up here as well, this is when we're getting drops in EOS. This is where I'm calling drops and where I'm exiting long trades before the price moves back down. Now we're waiting to get into the profit, but when we push back up here to these top sections here with the well money flow high, EOS is not moving up any higher. We're actually crashing down into bear market cycles when that happens. Look, again, it's calling the top up here. Right when we pushed up in these top sections, it was within these 3 to 4 candles here, and then we started seeing the move back down. Even calling this over here, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but we see it calling the drop here, correlated to this move right there, as well as this over here. Something that you guys can do, this will help you call the drops here, is wait for the 4-hour candle to close so you guys can see that the white line is in the top section here, because this is a non-repainting indicator, both of these. Once you guys see that the metric has closed on the 4-hour and it's in the top red section, that is great confirmation. Again, look at this over here. Great confirmation that we are going to be heading down on the market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can arguably say 9 and 10 in here because it's both called these drops in here as well for this one right here and this move over here. 10 times it's called the drop, looking for the 11th. So could EOS start moving back down? Yes, I do believe that is possible, and the greatest structure of support is down here at this level of right about $3.70. Now watch this though, because these indicators can sometimes get pinned to the top here and we could start moving down while price action continues to move up. This is normally what's called a bull trap to the upside. So if we get anywhere up to this level up here, we're going to be assessing profits. Now, I don't want to take profit until we're at 590. That's my personal target. I'm not going to exit until 590. But if I see something coming out here, and especially with this new news of the United States not even being able to trade on the bullish exchange, which is just ridiculous, then I might be calling an exit sooner to get us out. So I'm doing this video to update everyone about this, okay? Moving back down here, I do think if we get a move back down, we will see another springboard action, because not only are we calling the drops, but this is calling the pumps in the market very well, where we're not heading down too much further and we're seeing these moves back up. So I want you guys to watch that. Here's how I'm going to end this video, guys. Here are the 3 buy limits you guys want to set up in your exchange if you want to follow me. Great entries, by the way. It is like literally what you guys can do right now. I'm going to break the rules a little bit because they're still within the rules. If you guys are within 1% of your buy limit, which the 3 buy limits you're going to use this buy limit, 2 buy limits, and 3 buy limits. This is the only time where you're going to use 3 buy limits instead of 4. Okay, let me say that again. The only time 3 buy limits instead of 4. All of our other trades, you're going to use 4 buy limits. Your first buy limit is going to be 402. I would set that up. Second buy limit is 323. Third buy limit is 252. 1, 2, 3 buy limits. Getting into these lower levels, I think, is still a great opportunity, because look at where we are compared to where we have been. You guys are like, that's tall, that's high. Excuse me, that's high. No, this is high over here. This is where we have dropped to on EOS. All the way over here. I feel like I could hear the like that's where we're currently at. This thing, if this jumps off here, if the bullish exchange gets launched and we just get some crazy action in here, these are my targets. My first sell limit is going to be 190, 990, and 1317. Everything you guys need, I'm giving it to you right here. I do think we could see another pump like this in EOS. I don't think EOS is over and done and gone for good. I do not think so whatsoever. I do think we're going to see another pump up here. And guys, if at minimum we head up to this break-even target here, this is 8%, 9%. Our first sell limit is going to give us about 35 to 36% profit with the first sell limit. If these other ones are hit, guys, and this thing just really skyrockets, which are very good resistances, we're going to be looking at about 127 and well past 127 if we hit our third sell limit target, which puts us up here at 203% profit. So I am still bullish on EOS, but I'm a little less bullish on the exchange now that they've blocked the United States from actually trading on this as of this moment. It may change. I know they're trying to get registered on the New York Stock Exchange, so a company that's registered in the New York Stock Exchange better start opening their doors to the U.S. public, and it might just be early, and we are not letting the United States in yet. So I'm not fully bashing these guys for not letting US in because it may change. But at the moment, we can clearly read that it is not available to the United States, El Salvador, China, and those other countries. So let's watch this. My overall thing I want to tell you guys on this chart here, make sure you guys are getting the indicators. This is going to go up in literally 4 hours you guys have left here, which is now pushing into actually 3 hours and 3.5 hours from when I'm recording this video. All the indicators, you guys want to get this over here at tradeconfident.io. You guys, this is not 24 hours. I'm going to update this on the video here for the next ones that come out. You guys, actually, this is not going to update because this is going to go away because we're not going to have the sell anymore because it's literally ending in 3 hours here, 3.5 hours. So you guys have about 3 hours left to snag this. You guys are going to end up getting every single one of our indicators for 83% off. These are the ones that you need. The trend exhaustion, the trend dashboard, and the price versus the well money flow. These are the ones that you guys want on your charts charts for sure. Paying a few extra dollars, you get the bundle pack and you get 6 more indicators on top of these 3 that you would pay for anyways at pretty much the same price. Don't pass this up is all I've got to say, guys. This will be increasing. You can watch it on the website. The coupon code is going to go away and this will increase $50 back to the original price. So do not miss that. All right, guys. God bless you so much. Get your buy limit set up. I still believe Ethereum is a great trade. Watch to see if we get accepted in the United States here. This is great entries down here at these prices because I think we could see a nice move up on EOS still. So I'm still bullish on EOS, all right? Watch for these. Get the indicators set up on your charts. And guys, out of all this, make sure you're setting up other buy limits. This is not financial advice, but seriously, all of our other buy limits on all these trades over here is how we have won 87 for 87 wins now. So set up your buy limits on all the coins here. Click into Bitcoin. You guys will see exactly how to do this. Read the description here. It's so simple. You guys can start setting your trades up, and let's see if we can go for 90 for 90 wins. Maybe before Friday of this week. And then if we do that, we're going to try to push for 100 for 100 wins by the end of this year in December. And we're going to go into 2022 trying to hit 200 for 200 wins. This isn't going to stop. It's just going to keep getting better and better. So make sure you guys set up the indicators before those go up in price. Make sure you guys do get your membership over here because this is $49 and it will be going up in price as well. This gives you access to all of our metrics as well as the buy entries. Sorry I had to turn this into a big marketing video, but those of you guys who are not in yet and you guys clearly want to take advantage of this, this is what you guys need to understand and this is what you need to do. Membership, $49 a month. Set up your buy limits. Once you guys have your buy limits set up, click the Telegram link down here. That will give you guys a hot link to join into the Telegram access where I'm giving you guys calls on exiting trades with the trend exhaustion as well as market updates. God bless you guys so much. Get everything you need in the description. This is an EOS update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.